Hello again. Well, unfortunately, some further rain is in the forecast as we move through this weekend and indeed into next week. Over the next couple of days, though, the bulk of the rain will be across parts of eastern Scotland. The upshot to the weather conditions at the moment is that, at least for most of us, it is relatively mild, and indeed a good bit milder than it was to start the week. Now we can see the rain coming in across eastern Scotland on Saturday afternoon, so really quite wet across parts of the borders into the Edinburgh area. Angus and Aberdeenshire turning wetter this afternoon as well. A brisk southeasterly breeze to the north of this, particularly for Orkney and Shetland, feeding in one or two showers. I think the best of the dry, bright weather will always be across parts of western Scotland and the Outer Hebrides, where lucky few of us may see a bit of sunshine. Now temperatures will be higher than what we've seen over the last few days, 8 to 10 degrees, but I think either factoring the breeze or the rain or both, it will be feeling on the cool side for some of us. Now as we move on through the evening, the rain sets in further across parts of Angus, Aberdeenshire, increasingly so across Caithness as well. Weather warnings are in force from the Met Office, could see 50 millimetres or more up over the hills, so certainly scope for some localised flooding from this. Elsewhere there will be some splashes of rain from time to time, but not as persistent as it will be across parts of eastern Scotland, and quite a breezy night to come, particularly across the northeast half of the country. However, with the cloud and the breeze and the rain, at least for most of us it won't be particularly cold. We should just about escape a frost across all parts. So Sunday morning is going to dawn on a fairly grim note for many of us, quite cloudy, quite wet for some of us, but as the morning goes on, well, the rain will tend to ease, particularly across mainland Scotland, becoming mainly focused across the far north of Orkney and then later Shetland. And through the afternoon, whilst I can't rule out a few showers, there should be a good deal of dry weather around, and again, for the lucky few of us, perhaps one or two glimmers of sunshine. Wind's still coming up from the south or southeast, so it's a relatively mild direction. So again, should see 9 or 10 degrees, but again offset by the strength of the breeze. So probably another day to wrap up warm. Now looking ahead towards Monday, and it does stay unsettled into the new working week. Some further rain to come at times, but at least for most of us it is staying relatively mild. So plenty of weather to talk about over the next few days, and of course the best place you can keep up to date with that is here on the YouTube channel or across the Met Office on social media. Take care.